Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. I hope everybody is having a fine week. I have now finished my last Father's Day card and I kind of cranked it out. I am opening the new rustic metallic adhesive back dots to finish this off. This uses He's All That with the coordinating paper. The paper includes some die cuts, and the wrench is one of the die cuts, and so is this banner in the background. And my stepfather makes motorcycles, or rebuilds motorcycles and old cars. He's working on an old truck right now, so I pulled out as many of the pieces from this set that would align with what he likes to make in the garage. And I think these dots will be perfect, and I can get this mailed off to him. I don't know, this is like a VW bug looking vehicle. I was trying to hide it, but I wanted to also make sure that the motorcycle showed. I wanted the old car and the motorcycle, so I kind of had to work with what I had. And this particular top layer with the gold embossing is cut out from the background paper. Being that my stepfather is a more casual garage kind of a guy, I couldn't really use any of the fancier pattern papers, and the argyle didn't work, so I had to really fine-tune this. I thought it would be good to go ahead and use the poppy splatter from the Poppies stamp set to kind of have the little bit of a grungy look to it, since, you know, you're working in a garage and there's oil and grease and things involved. So this is it, just something really quick. I will do some quick stamping on the envelope as well as the inside of the card and get this shipped off. It is double height. I don't think it will violate the thickness rule, but it definitely will be lumpy and bumpy. So just to remind everybody that when the rates increased, it is now a forever stamp plus 30 cents for non-machinable. And they have not made, there are non-machinable stamps, but they do not have a 30-cent stamp. I looked and there's nothing. I went online to see if I could even order a 30-cent stamp. So what I've been doing is there's a 20-cent additional ounce that used to be enough to pay for the additional postage, and now that's not enough. So there is a 10-cent pear stamp that I partner with the bunny rabbit stamp, which is the 20-cent stamp. And even if you use, there's some 2-ounce stamps, those are only 78 cents, so you still need to add the 10-cent stamp to what used to work with just the 2-ounce being enough for a non-machinable. And another tip on your envelope, I went ahead and ordered a non-machinable stamp and used my Real Red ink, so that, because the post office, I've noticed, if I do have to go in and get something priced out, if they decide it's lumpy and bumpy, they will sometimes not put the non-machinable stamp on. So always remember your non-machinable stamp if you would like your card to not get mangled. And that's all I've got for today. Let me know if you have finished your Father's Day cards and what set you used to make your Father's Day card, if you have already made it. Father's Day is let's check the calendar. It is, I know, a little bit later. The 19th, I believe, Sunday, June 19th is Father's Day, so still time, plenty of time to get your Father's Day cards finished up and mailed off. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll have the supplies. There aren't any retiring, saying goodbyes on this particular card, so all of the supplies will be over on my blog. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.